Grow your hair faster with onion water. Hair is made up of tough protein called keratin, which gives strength to hair. This is because of the abundance of sulfur present in it. It is the chemical bonds that sulfur forms and determine the texture of your hair as well as its health. In fact, hair loss has been linked to the absence of high sulfur proteins. Methyl sulfonyl methane is a highly absorbable source of sulfur which is found in onions. It helps with the formation of keratin in hair, which results in the hair growth. Onion has a high concentration of sulfur that helps with numerous conditions cause hair to faster grow. But first, it is necessary to understand the structure of your hair and the causes of hair fall. Using onion for your hair can drastically reduce hair fall and helps promote hair growth. Onion water method can be incorporated into your hair care regimen. Let us see how this wonderful hair growth remedy going to prepare. For this we need 4 normal sized onions, or else you can prefer 2 to 3 big sized onions, and 1 liter of water. Process: cut onions into regular small pieces. Take 1 liter of water in a bowl and start boiling. Add onion pieces into bowl. Let them boil for 10 to 15 minutes. After boiling, put bowl aside and let it cool. Strain the water. Now let us see how to apply to the hair. Wash your hair with regular shampoo. After shampooing, apply onion water over the scalp and massage for 2 to 3 minutes. Wash your hair on next day with shampoo. Use this water twice in a week. Follow this method regularly for best results.